So if you're sick of your 9 to 5 job and you're living paycheck to paycheck and you are looking to make an extra income online, then this video is specifically for you. Today I'm going to show you why affiliate marketing is the best side hustle for anyone working a 9 to 5 job and looking to make an extra income online. Okay, I'm going to show it to you. Why am I qualified to show you this? Because I'm currently right now working a full-time job as a full-time dishwasher at a home retirement community, and at the same time I'm also building my affiliate marketing business on the side. Okay, so once my business takes off and I start making enough money to replace my job, I'm gonna do that, because I'm also building an online business right now and also looking to quit my 9 to 5 job because I hate my 9 to 5 job and I want to have freedom just as much as you do. If you want to have financial, time and location freedom, we are in the same boat. I'm someone that you can connect with. And also one more thing before we get to this video, if you are brand new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. Okay, so every time when I release a brand new video to you guys can be notified. Number one, let's talk about the benefit of affiliate marketing for anyone working a 9 to 5 or just any 9 to 5 workers in general. Guys, you guys all know that working a 9 to 5 job, it sucks. Okay, it just is. And I know I'm smiling right now because it's the truth, because I work a job. Like I said, it is annoying waking up in the morning Monday to Friday at 6 a.m. to go do an 8-hour shift. You get off at 3:30 or 4 p.m. to go work under somebody that you don't want to work under, do stuff that you don't want to do just because you feel like you have to go make money. And then after that, when you make money, it's like $1,000 check, which is not even that much. It's annoying. For a lot of you guys watching me right now, if you are a 9 to 5 worker, you know what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, so don't even try to hide there, be like, oh no, this is not me, because you know it's you. Because I'm in that same situation, so I can connect with you. Okay, and affiliate marketing is actually the best way to replace that 9 to 5. And you want to know why? Well, for starter, flexible hours. Think about this. Affiliate marketing allows you literally to work anywhere, anytime you want. So that means you can make your own schedule. If you want to work in the morning, you can work in the morning. If you want to work at night, you can work at night. If you want to work in the evening, you can work in the evening. What's way better than that, right? Rather than you having to wake up every single morning to go work an 8-hour shift, being under someone else's schedule for 8 hours, where people are telling you come and work. Which one is better? You making your own schedule, or you having to be under someone? To me, I think this is better, because I want to be waking up every day, guys. And when I mean every day, I'm talking about every single freaking morning, to go do my own thing, wake up when I want to wake up, make my own schedule, work when I want to work. If I want to work 1 to 2 hours a day, I can work 1 to 2 hours a day. I want to be flexible with my schedule. You see, that's what affiliate marketing allows you. Flexible hours. You work whenever you want. It's up to you. You get to make your own schedule. You have no boss telling you do this or do that, come here at this time. You have no boss telling you that, because you are the boss. That's the beauty about affiliate marketing, and that's what I love it. Because which thing is better than having flexible hours than rather than having to be under somebody working for freaking 8 hours? You tell me. And that's what I love affiliate marketing, and that's why I think if you're working a 9 to 5 right now and you're looking for true freedom, this is the way to go. Flexible hours, especially if that's what you're looking for. You want to have hours that are flexible, then go for affiliate marketing, because this is what's going to allow you to have flexible hours. Next, you have low startup cost. You see, with affiliate marketing, you don't need a lot of crazy equipment. Okay, you can literally just start with a laptop, computer, and a smartphone. That's all you need. Okay, as long as you have that, you have internet connection, Wi-Fi, you have a laptop, you have a computer, or you have just a smartphone, you can literally start with affiliate marketing. You don't need a lot of upfront investment that are big, like hundreds of thousands of dollars. You don't need all that. Okay, that's the beauty when you're starting affiliate marketing. That means any beginner can start it. Okay, so if you have low budget right now and you want to start, affiliate marketing, you can definitely start an affiliate marketing business. I'm not saying that you're building a business is just gonna be all like free and you're not gonna pay nothing. No, you're still gonna do it's a business. You're gonna end up investing something. I just gotta be honest with you guys, okay? Like that's because it's a business. But what I'm saying here is that what by low startup cost is that if you are a beginner, even if you don't have a lot of budget, you can still start it, okay, with affiliate marketing, because there's still ways that you can start it with a low budget and then later on pay money once you have the money. Does that make sense? But it's low startup cost. As a starter, yeah, you can start with a low startup cost as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you have a laptop, you have a computer, you can start it. Another one is passive income potential. You see, when you starting out as an affiliate marketer, once you set up your link, your affiliate link, and you promote that link starts to work for you, okay, on autopilot. Especially if you're going to be promoting it on social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, all over social media. It's going to be working for you on autopilot. So if you're at work and if people are buying through your affiliate link on autopilot all across the globe, you're going to be getting money coming in, commission coming in, even while you're working your full-time job. And that money becomes more passive income because you're not really trading your time for money. Because a lot of you guys do know that affiliate marketing is basically you promoting other people's product, right, and services. So you are basically getting a link from these companies. These companies are going to give you a link. That affiliate link is what you're promoting out there. And here's the thing. When you're promoting that link, it's working for you all over the place, especially if you're doing TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, all of these social media platforms. So it's like it's autopilot money machine working for you while you're working at your job. And then as that income increases and increases and increases, the money becomes also passive. Later on, once you're making enough, you can quit your job. And understand that this income are not just gonna come after you quit. No, while you already working, you can already start getting commission. I had $1,000, $400, $500 commission coming inside my affiliate marketing business while I was working my job. That's the beauty, because I set up my link out there. I set up my system, I built my entire system, I set it up and I let it go on autopilot, and I started earning commission while I'm working my job. I remember being in my 9 to 5 one day, I had a $400 commission coming in like that. Bam. And I received an email that, hey, you just received a $400 commission while I'm at work. So like you see, that's the beauty. So you don't even have to trade your time for money here like you do because you see, when you're at a 9 to 5 job, the problem with that is that you're trading your time for money. So if you're not at work, you don't make money. So you have to work to make money. Does that make sense? But the beauty about affiliate marketing is that once you have your affiliate link, which is a link that's coded to you, and you promote that link on social media platform, that link becomes more just like a money machine. That's the beauty. So passive income potential. Make sense? Number 2. Now let me show you how affiliate marketing works for any of you guys working any 9 to 5. Okay. So if you're working a 9 to 5 job, okay, I'm going to show you exactly how affiliate marketing works. The first thing that you're going to need to do is that you're going to need to pick a product. Okay. This product could be in any topic, any industry. For example, if you want to promote stuff in a finance, that means you're going to pick product around finance. Okay. Or let's say if you love fitness, for example, okay, if you love fitness, you love going to the gym, you love working out, you can pick products, okay, that are specifically around fitness. Okay, this could be like fitness gear or like a fitness tracker, something the around that industry. Does that make sense? So, or maybe let's say if you love yoga or whatever, okay, that means you're gonna pick product around yoga. Or let's say you love dancing, that means you're gonna pick products around dancing. So whatever topic you want, it doesn't really matter. Okay, now once you've done that, okay, the second thing is that you're going to join affiliate programs. Okay, there's hundreds of thousands of affiliate programs out there. Okay guys, because affiliate marketing is a $17 billion industry. Okay, it's a huge industry. All right, it's continuing to grow every single year. So there are a ton of affiliate companies out there that you can join. This could be like Amazon, Best Buy, JCPenney, Staples, Coca-Cola, Adidas, Sephora, ClickBank, Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Partner Stack. Hundreds of thousands of companies you can join. Okay, all of these companies, they have products that you can sell as an affiliate in multiple different industries. For example, ClickBank. If you go to ClickBank, they have a bunch of products on their platform for multiple industries, like like fitness and health, or they also have like business and investing, marketing, education, employment and jobs. So many different types of products that they have, okay, that you can choose from. That's the second thing. The third thing that you're going to do is that you're going to promote these products on either social media platform like Facebook, YouTube, Snapchat, and stuff like that. For example, let's talk about Instagram. For example, let's say if you have an Instagram account, right? You can promote your product on your Instagram account. You can start creating short form content, which is called Instagram Reels. Reels, you can create Reels, which are like 5 to 15-second video. You post it, talking about your product, and then if people, they're basically promoting your product, your content has to be around your product. Or you can also create YouTube videos if you want to, or if you want to, open your, you can build a YouTube channel and then start, promoting your product on your channel as well. You can do that as well. Does that make sense? And then after that, but when you're building an audience, guys, you got to make sure that you're building an audience of people who are interested in that product. For example, if you building an audience on YouTube, that means let's say if you are in a finance industry, for example, that means you're going to attract people who are specifically interested in finance. So that means your content on YouTube has to be only around finance. Or let's say if you love fitness, right? That means you're going to create workout videos. Maybe you're at the gym, or maybe you're teaching people how to build a biceps muscle, whatever, stuff that you love to do, to attract people who are specifically interested in fitness. Okay, so yeah, so that's the thing. So when you are promoting your link, you're building an audience, a community of people that are interested in what you're selling. Okay, once you've chosen an industry, you go all in with that. All right. Number 3, now why affiliate marketing is actually different than every other side hustles out there. Well, I mean, think about this. You have a link, you're sharing it now on like social media platform like Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, and the link is working for you. You're not clocking in here, and an income is coming in. So you have hundreds of thousands of people across the globe seeing that link, and they're buying through that link, that affiliate link. I mean, which one is better here? You clocking in and out every day where you have to be at work, and you're working every day physically, then having a link that's working for you where you're not consistently on it. It's just out there. Your link is being promoted on platform like TikTok, Facebook. It's just there, and people are buying through your link, or on autopilot, and you're not on it. You're not even on your business. It's there working for you, because that's what a business is supposed to do. When you build a business online, you're supposed to not have another job. The goal to have a business is to have freedom. You see what I'm saying? The goal of you having a business is to step out. You see, so once you have your link, your business is set up, what else do you have to do? Nothing. I mean, it's your business is automated now. All you have to do is just step out, and then just let the people start buying. Let the customers start going through your link, buying through your affiliate link. Your link is out there, it's being promoted. and then you are just collecting your commission. You see what I'm saying so far? And that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You know, you're not consistently walking like you're walking a 9 to 5. Okay, things are on autopilot for you, so you don't have to be on it. Once you set up everything becomes automatic. Once you set up your link, it's automatic, it's automated. It's not like you're walking a 9 to 5 or you're walking Monday to Friday morning until night. You're clocking in and out, you do not know. Okay, because when you work a job, like I said, you have to be there. You have to be there actively working. But when you're building an affiliate marketing business, you set up your affiliate link, everything is automated. Once everything is set up, you do not have to be on it. That's the beauty. Number 4, let me now give you guys tips so you can get started as an affiliate marketer. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do, guys, is that you're going to need to pick a platform. Okay, one single platform. This could be YouTube, Facebook, Snapchat, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, doesn't really matter. Okay, you're going to pick a platform where you're going to build an audience, okay, of people that are going to be specifically interested in your affiliate product. Okay, that's the first thing you're going to need to do. You're going to need to first do that. Just pick one platform. You don't need all of them. Okay, for you to be able to build a 6-figure business with affiliate marketing, you only need one single platform. If you want to do it with YouTube, just go all in with YouTube. If you want to do with Facebook, just go all in with Facebook. If you want to do, TikTok, do TikTok. Don't do everything. Just please choose one single platform. Okay, one single platform, not all of them, just one. Okay, the next thing is that you're gonna have to be consistent, because this is a long-term game. Understand that it's a business you're building online. Okay, this is not a get rich quick stuff. Okay, you're gonna make money, but understand that if you're consistent, consistency is a key. Okay, success will come in. You have to stay consistent. That's the whole goal here, consistency. Okay, the third one is that you're gonna have to learn and grow. Look, affiliate marketing is confusing sometimes at first when you're first starting, because there's a bunch of information all over social media about affiliate marketing. I'm not the first person who's talking to you guys about affiliate marketing. I'm one of the people who's talking to you guys about affiliate marketing, but you're probably already following other people out there talking to you guys about affiliate marketing. I'm probably not even the first or the last you're ever gonna hear. You're probably gonna watch my video and probably go watch again somebody else's video. Okay, so it could be confusing, especially when you're first starting out, because there's a bunch of information out there. So you just gotta learn and grow and stay focused. Okay, that's what you need to do. So there you have it. That's what affiliate marketing is. Now, if you would like to start your own affiliate marketing business and you want to make a full-time income online, just check the first link you see down below in my YouTube description. I basically put a free training that's going to teach you the #1 recommended method that I'm currently using right now to build my own affiliate marketing business, so you can start your own affiliate marketing journey as well. So if you want to check out that free training that I have down below, check my the first link you see down below in my YouTube description to get instant access to it if you want to start your own journey. I love you guys so much. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Okay, I'll see you later.